Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well. Today, in honor of National Peach Month, we're going to be making a healthier version of peach pie. But first, if you're new to our channel or it's the first time watching one of our videos, please take the time to hit the like button, the subscribe and notification button, which will notify you whenever we release new video content, which will generally be once a week. Before we go about making peach pie, let's dive into a little bit of history of where pie making originated from. So sometime 7,000 years ago, during the Egyptian period, is where pie making originated from. Now during this time period, primarily pies were made of meat and seafood. Now sometime after that, the Romans picked up pie making and made the very first pastry level pie by experimenting with fruits and adding sugar sweetener to it. And as it stands today, pie is expansive and global around the world. As far as peach pie goes, I couldn't really find an origination of where that originated from, where it came from. But if you guys have any idea of where I could find more information on that, please leave a comment down below and I'll explore it. Thank you. Now that we're done with our brief history, let's go ahead and make our nice peach pie. Let's do it, guys. And we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Let's go over the ingredients that we need to make our peach pie filling. Peaches, almond flour, monk fruit, lemon juice, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Now let's go make that filling. We're going to need a medium-sized pot. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water, followed by 1/3 a cup of monk fruit, then 1/4 a cup of almond flour. Next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we're going to go ahead and put it on medium heat. Then we're going to go ahead and stir that around. We're going to cook it until the mixture starts to thicken, which could take about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, the sauce has reduced greatly, like you can see here. When you take the spoon and it drips off the spoon very slowly, that is when we know it's ready. Now we're going to go ahead and add our teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to go ahead and add our peaches. Then we're going to turn off the heat, and then we're going to go ahead and mix all of our peaches up until it's all evenly glazed. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and add our teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to go ahead and stir that and mix everything together. And we're going to go ahead and get our homemade pie crust or store-bought pie crust. And then we're going to go ahead and add our peach filling in until it's evenly distributed amongst the pie. And we're going to bake our peach pie for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the peach filling is bubbly. We're going to go ahead and take out the pie, and we're going to move the foil from the sides, and your pie should look like this. And there we have it, a delicious, juicy, healthy peach pie. Well, that concludes our culinary journey for today. I hope you enjoyed making a healthy peach pie as much as we did. Also, if you like the dish, you made any modifications to the dish, or if you have any recommendations for future recipes, please let us know by leaving a comment down below. As a community of experimentation, we'd love to hear about it. Also, if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification button, which will notify you whenever we update future releases of food content to our channel. Until next time, eat well, live well, and we'll see you at our next culinary journey. Bye for now.